Welcome to Simply Street Bikes. This is a 2013 Suzuki Boulevard c50t. It's a fuel-injected bike, nice and clean. 4,800 miles on it. Check that just to make sure. No rips or tears in the seat. Overall, the bike's in really good condition. It's got the beautiful spoke wheels on it. And this is a c50t model. We're familiar with it. Really good, clean bike. Lots of good tread left on the tires. No dings or dents, no drop damage. Overall, a really nice, clean bike. I'll go ahead and start it up for you. Currently, the bike is throwing a fault code, but that will be fixed after this bike gets its inspection done. All of our bikes come with a 24-point inspection. And of course, pull the clutch. You see 4,800 miles. So there you have it. That's a 2013 Suzuki Boulevard c50t, 4,800 miles. If you need any more information, you can contact us through our website at simplystreetbikes.com, or go ahead and give us a phone call at 952-941-0774. And this bike does come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting Simply Street Bikes.